Right. Hello, and welcome to the 2021 Highlander Engineering Club introductory meeting. Um, my name is Peter, and I'll be explaining some basic rules and the introductory stuff um, for the Highlander Engineering Club. I know that I did a Google Meet on a very short notice today. And for those of you that came, um, you don't really have to watch this. This is going to be the same stuff, but at the end, there are going to be some changed information about attendance. So maybe skip to the end. And for those of you that are here, let's begin. So for the table of contents, we're going to talk about who we are as a club, some club rules, when we're meeting, our sponsors and partners, and things that you will be able to experience. So happy to see you here. Highlander Engineering Club is a club that is centered around one of the most popular fields in the world, engineering. We work to develop valuable skills and experiences that will be beneficial in future education and employment environments. Regardless of your experience, we welcome you with open arms. Come down and learn something new with us. All right. So here at Highlander Engineering Club, everybody is welcome as usual. We do not tolerate bullying, racism, or sexism. We are inclusive. We welcome all genders, all backgrounds, and all ethnicities. Most importantly, we hope you can have fun and learn something while you're here. We are people. Uh, we are a club that has people with common goals and common interests, and yeah, and I hope everybody can just have fun and learn something new. Okay, so things that you will learn or experience are hardware, so stuff that have to do with circuits or robotics and actually hands-on building. I know we have some robotic kits that you can actually build robots with. We're going to have guest speakers from University of Waterloo or other company CEOs, and we already have some guest speakers planned for like next week, and we have some speakers from TO Hacks, from like Ryerson and University of Waterloo Computer Science and Engineering. So that's going to be great. We have programming languages is more of the software stuff. So on web development hackathons, stuff like that, development tools and problem solving. So as you are in the club, you will learn how to work around problems, build new stuff, and learn new things. All right. Okay, so this is our sponsor and our supporters. We have Rebel, O'Reilly, and Best Buy. So shout out to them. And for our partners, we have TO Hacks, Steph Hacks, and Hack Club. I know some stickers are coming from Hack Club, so be on the lookout for those. And yeah. Okay, so things that you should know. So every week there will be a new RSVP for the meeting that week. So this is where I lied in the Google Meet. I said that there will be RSVP forms that come out every Friday at the end of the week. But no, it's going to be on Tuesdays to Friday. So it's going to open on Tuesdays or Monday. I'm pretty sure Tuesdays. It will open on Tuesday. It will close on Friday. So we actually have some time to fix it and change it over the weekend, finalize the plan, the attendance. So yeah, because of due to room capacity guidelines and COVID guidelines, RSVPs are required in order to enter the room. So if you want to do in person, you need to do the RSVP. But before Friday, that's when the forms close. Okay, they will be done on a first come first serve basis. So every meeting you're gonna have to do it again and again and again, um, because we're sure that some people might not be able to make it every week. So if we do fixed members, then that's not really fair to the members that were not able to come last week and the week before. So to be fair, we're gonna have to do it every week. I know it's kind of tedious, but it's as long as COVID is around, this is gonna have to be a thing. If you would like to request your friend to be in the same room as you, please fill out the form that will be posted next week on Google Classroom, or we will try our best to match everyone's requests. So, this will be more like tomorrow or Tuesday. That will be done. So we actually had meeting to the intro meeting in person. It was great. Hussein and his friends were in a room. All the grade 12s, they were going wild. We did some tower building and stuff. And finally, to remove your RSVP, please leave a private comment underneath the assignment in Google Classroom so we can open up a spot to those who are on the wait list. So yes, even if we have passed the capacity, I think it was 58 people, still sign up because then you'll be able to be put on a wait list. And if there are some people that leave or cannot come, we'll put you in. So like if you are first on the wait list, then you'll be put in first, stuff like that. Yeah, and it's very important. If you can't come, please let us know, because like we want to open up spots for people that want to come and can come. So either private comment or email with a subject that says RSVP cannot come or stuff like that. Yeah, but private comment would be the best. All right, okay, so that's it for the introductory slides, the introductory meeting, and I'm here to actually answer some of the questions that were asked in the Google Meet. People asked about when the form will be open, the RSVP form. It'll be open on Tuesday. It will end on Friday, as I mentioned. So do it from Tuesday to Friday. Do it ASAP if you want to have a spot. We have a limited spot of 58 people. That's because we have 3 classrooms. I'm not joking. We have 3 classrooms. We have like all the tech rooms for our club, and for the attendance, yeah. The attendance only counts. So this is where I lied in the Google Meet. We had a talk. The execs had a talk about it. The attendance only counts for people who are in person. Because if we try to do a Google form online, it'll be too complicated. But by no means will you be kicked out if you don't show up for if you don't show up for a certain number of meetings. We're not going to kick you out. And like if you get something like at least 1 or 2 in-person meetings or like attendance checks, then I'm pretty sure don't quote me on this, but the school still I will count this as a club activity if you do. So yeah, so for attendance, try to show up. If you don't, you will not be counted. Online won't be counted. And also another question asked was the online. If you can't make it in person, and we learn about software or hardware, we will post an online video, a YouTube video on our YouTube channel. I will in the comment in the description of this in the Google Classroom comment, I'll leave a YouTube video. And if you probably found this, you probably know our YouTube video anyways. It'll be in there. You can watch it from there. And for guest speakers, I will actually notify the people. I'll post on Google Classroom the join link. It's the join link that is already in the Google Classroom. You guys can actually go in there and join. I'll post the times and when, like the day or like 2 days before. At worst cases, it's going to be like 10 minutes before we go. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, so the 2 things I wanted to mention, the RSVP times, it's from Tuesday to Friday. It opens on Tuesday, it ends on Friday. Attendance, you have to be in person for it to count.